Hello there and welcome back. So we have installed LocalWP and I have just started the program. It says we haven't created any sites yet, and we can see there are different things in this program. We have our local sites, we have Connect, we have blueprints, we have add-ons, and then we have support. So let's create a new site. So we click create a new site, and we can do it using two ways. We can create a new site, spin up a new WordPress or headless WordPress site, or we can create one from a blueprint. And a blueprint is a template, you could say. So we take these away, create a new site, and hit continue. We have to name the site. Let's just call it first WordPress site. An easy way, so you can put whatever you want. You can also, there's an advanced option if you want to modify things more. We don't want to do that right now, so let's just hit continue. And then you can choose between, because you can see we're using PHP 8.1.23 and is running on Nginx, the web server, and we are using MySQL as the database. We can also customize this. If we click custom, we can select the PHP version and everything. So very good tools for customization here. So let's just go the preferred way and hit continue. So now we can select the username when we're logging in. So I'm just going to take admin, and you can choose whatever password. This is kind of important when you want to upload your WordPress site online, remote. You need to have a very strong password. I'm just going to create a simple password so that I can remember it right now. And then you can also write in a mail, the WordPress email that you want to be associated with this WordPress installation. And since we're just running locally, it doesn't really matter that much because we just have it running locally on our own computer. So let's hit add site. It says provisioning services, starting up site services, downloading. So it's actually downloading WordPress from the internet, doing everything for us. So it's pretty easy. So you can see LocalWP has finished up. It's green. We can stop it again if we want to. It's running on this localhost port, and this might depend. This might change depending on what you have installed on your computer already. And you can see the WordPress version, PHP, Nginx, everything. So if we open up the site, you can see open site button, WP admin. Let's just open the site here. So we have a boilerplate sample WordPress site here running. And if we go with WP admin, we can log in admin, and we don't want to remember that. So we can see that now we are inside of WordPress, and it's kind of on a weird port, but that's because we have something else installed on the computer, because normally it should run on port 80 and just localhost, but because we have something running there at the moment, it can't use that, so it doesn't matter. All right, so that is basically it for the installation of WordPress and how easy it is to set it up. So I hope you make this work, guys, and have fun with this. Bye bye.